Hi, I'm Ted. Welcome to Explorer.Company. Forget the scripted vacation. When you steer a 4x4 onto a lone Gobi track, the tourist fantasy crumbles. Out here, there are no crowds. Just you, the path you carve, and a landscape that recalibrates your sense of place in the universe. We've mapped the singing dunes, the icy Altai, and the central steppe. You'll connect with the real locals, sharing tea with eagle hunters and camel herders, not just watching them from a bus window. Your machine? A custom Toyota Land Cruiser, the AK-47 of off-road vehicles. It's fully rigged, rooftop tents, 270-degree awning, full kitchen, and a hot shower. It is a 5-star experience where the roads vanish. You drive yourself, but you are never lost. Our offline navigation whispers every turn. Plus, with onboard satellite internet and our 24/7 remote monitoring, you have a safety net in the middle of nowhere. Whether you're camping under the Milky Way or sleeping in a hotel, you'll feel something rare. You are fully present. No guide's umbrella. We run limited private departures. Pick your route, bring your people, leave the noise behind and earn the view. Mongolia is waiting. It doesn't care if you're ready. The question is, are you?